going to go ahead and do is I am going to show you how to change the keypad membrane, which is the little front sticky pad on your remote control. So you want to make sure the machine is off. It's not a bad idea to unplug the machine. Alright, so make sure at the very least the machine is off. Once you have the machine off, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Take your time. Alright, so you see 4 screws here. Sorry. You see 4 screws here. Alright, but there's also 2 screws hidden under the 2 little rubber feet on the bottom. Alright, so you have to remove your 2 little rubber feet and remove the screws. Alright, once you have all the screws out, be careful, take it apart. Alright, so you see here, this is the inner workings. Alright, the camera's here, the computer's there. Alright, so you take the, so after you've taken the back off, you have, there's one more screw holding the wire. Let's see.
You have to take it all the way out.
Alright, yeah, I'm just going to show you guys. So there's one more screw holding the wire, holding there's a metal plate holding your sticky pad. These are one single use. So I'm just going to show you guys. Alright, so you can see the connector here. That's your ribbon connector. See how it has a little flange on it? And then,
Just plug right in.
let's see, it just plugs right in there. You just plug it right in there in the back. Alright, just reseat everything. You'll reseat this plate. So you peel the old one off, stick the new one on, seat the connector.
That's it.
And that's it.
Alright, well thanks for that little quick demonstration on the keypad. It's pretty rare that they do go bad, but when they do, if you have any trouble with, you know, the actual plugging it in, just make sure you guys don't bend the cable. So if you do need a change and you're having some issues, just call in and we'll walk you through it. We got some pictures and stuff that we can always send you.